All right guys, today I want to show you a new product from Specialty Performance Parts, and it is a rigid rear backup light kit. This kit allows you to integrate your factory rigid floodlights to a location just under the bumper in an existing mounting location. Again, this utilizes the high quality rigid pro floodlights, and now you can have that extra backup light for your truck. I wanted to do this video on a nicer day, but unfortunately it's been raining for about 4 or 5 days, so we're kind of stuck there. So let's go ahead and flip these things on and I'll show you how they work. All right, so here we are on the inside of the truck, and the way that the kit comes is it comes with a pre-manufactured wire harness that allows you to run the wire straight up to the switch panel wires. That allows you to install it on, say, your 6th location here, and add the backup lights when you want them. One of the reasons that you want to do it this way would be because if you tie them into the reverse lights, which you can do, you can just cut your harness down and tie it in back there. But if you do that, you're going to have those lights come on every time you put it in reverse. That means, let's say you're backing up to your house and your kids are asleep or something. You don't want to necessarily blast all that light there. There's a lot of light. And this way, you can control that. When you want the extra light, you flip the switch. When you don't flip the switch. So you have more control this way. So let's check them out. All right, so here we are. You can see lots of light, lots and lots of light with the backup lights. So again, be sure to visit specialtyperformanceparts.com or SPV Parts.com for your backup kits and other Raptor, F-150, Roush, truck light kits, and other off-road accessories. All right, so let's go and get a night shot here. We can see now we've got our lights here on at night, and you can see they give you plenty of light behind the truck for backing up or whatever else it is you need to do. There's plenty of light there, so that's what it looks like lit up at night. All right, again, be sure to visit specialtyperformanceparts.com for custom accessories for your Raptor and other F-150s, such as light bars, fog light kits, some exclusive things that you can't find anywhere else. And check us out.